I've been carrying this word of inspiration for a while, and I thought today was the best day to share it. I'd like to encourage you with this simple acronym, TWP. I don't know who needs to hear this, but top watch people, yeah, them have more friends than you, more followers than you, more money than you. So what? Alright, say if we're big like over Jam World and feel them one flat. So what? And the money for go work tomorrow, and every weekend them over Lime Keep and yacht. So what? Alright, them slim and trim and have to go to gym and you are struggle with fat. So what? Hear me now? You were fearfully and wonderfully made with your own unique attributes and the things that were unique to you. So top watch people. Comparison to the thief of joy, you know. Somebody rob a little joy we have left in you. Come on, man. Hear me now? The world we have the same 24 hours. Do the best with your 24 hours where you can do and top watch people. Alright? And by the way, share this with someone who you feel might need these words of inspiration.